Look at this. So pretty. We came here for... It's a prop. I love how they just...
Do me a favor?
What?
Could you give me that spray from inside the...
Where?
I do, yeah. Yeah, compartment thingy.
Kidibo.
Oh,
This
it's
thing.
spray tag. Thank you. Sorry.
Oh gosh. Funny. You're funny. Good morning, guys. If you hear the pss, 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 that's the air freshener being refilled. It's Sunday today, and let me actually come into the sun. So it's Sunday, and I just had this like project in my head and some few like other DIY things that I want to do around the apartment. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. First stop, HomeGoods.
Yep.
To buy some candles, because we're done with our candles that we have, and I just want to buy some candles and some gifts for my neighbor. And after that, we'll head to Home Depot for a DIY project. No, Home Depot or IKEA? IKEA to change something in my room. And yeah, I'll take you with us. Such a sunny day. Oh, there's a car. These mirrors, these vintage mirrors are really nice. Don't do that. It's gonna break. Oh, these golden like pieces are really nice. Oh wow. Oh wow, this is nice. Look at this. Reminds me of like These are some nice stuff, by the way. No, it's for storage.
It's really nice.
Yeah. That's nice too, that was. Let's go to the candle section.
Okay.
We also need like a basket, but I'll come back to it later. This smells good.
They have more over here.
Yeah, I know. I want those wooden wick.
They have a candle section.
Ooh, guava mango. I like the lemongrass. It's $10.
It's good.
Why are you taking it?
Oh, when I'm taking it, it smells
I'm
good.
not sure yet. It says sea salt neroli. Poured in California. Small batch. I like this smell, but I'm not completely sure.
It smells good.
How much are these? They're all $10. What the actual? Yeah, this one is good too. This one is orange. I actually want something like different. Maybe over there. I also like the big one. Oh, I like this one.
Are you gonna be carrying that around the whole house?
Oh, this one looks cute, but doesn't smell as good as it should. It's $20, please.
You might need to hold it and carry it around. Which is not bad.
I'm not carrying it around.
Yes.
Which one? Just put it in the thing. These are nice too. Oh. This is a giant one. Oh, this one is nice. I love this one. Yeah, I'm gonna see the vanilla bean. No, smells like vanilla latte. I think I'm gonna take this one.
Okay.
Do you think we should just take one?
No, whatever.
This one is $30, babe. I think one is fine. One is gonna last us a while.
We'll take a couple.
No.
We're not gonna be carrying that around the whole time.
Yeah, one of those. One. Look how cute these candles are. They're so nice. Okay, they smell good. Ooh, this one smells like soap. Try this.
Yes.
Oh, this is strong. This is really strong. This one is cute. You want it? Okay. We literally just spent $50 on 3 candles. 30, 40, 50. I'm pretty sure this is $10.
7. This doesn't come with it, but it does now.
Okay, enough with the candles. No, I just need some baskets for the shower. No, not the shower, for your things. Oh no, subject lost. Okay. The gimbal started to go crazy, so. You know what we do need? Yes, but that one is gonna break. We need something
Let me
that's...
test it.
You're breaking them already. Oh, there we go.
Trash can. You do need a trash can.
No, we don't need a trash can.
You can have a trash can.
Yeah, but still.
It's very nice.
I have to like open it. Do you realize that, right? The majority of them are like, I don't want to look at this. What about this one? Do you like this?
For where? Kitchen?
For bathroom.
Okay.
It has the... What do you think? Check.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's good.
You're gonna break it here. Oh, this is like a... Those mats.
Kitchen এ
No, bathroom এর
আমরা কিনছি না একটা
হ্যাঁ আমরা কি ওটা দিছি না দেই নাই তো
ওকে নেক্সট টাইম ক্লিন করে তখন
ওকে
এটা ইউজ করব বাথরুমে ছোট এটা
না এটা যে পানি পড়লে ভিজে না বাট ইটস দ্য সেম থিং উইথ আওয়ার ওয়ান Damn. When I have a house, I am gonna buy a mirror like this because this is so pretty. You okay?
It's a nice mirror.
Yeah, it's $400.
You want it?
No, not in my apartment, but in my house. Yeah,
Mirror is movable anywhere you go.
there's. I like the minimalistic designs, not This is not bouncy. The platform it's on is moving. That's why.
No, the sofa is like.
You need a couch like that? We have it.
The couch is gonna be destroyed by the cat first
I
day.
know. We need something that like doesn't get destroyed. Actually, sit on this. Sit on this.
This is gonna be. You have to put this thing like your mom on top of the thing.
I'm not doing that.
This thing is soft, but this thing is gonna get destroyed. Look. Watch your back.
Sorry. She just took the whole hook. We're not getting that.
Same 30. It's pretty small.
What about a basket like this? Tell me how many things are gonna fit in that basket.
No, that's true, but I'm talking about like something like this that has a lid.
But not closed.
Not close.
Because your
Oh, okay.
things are not. তোমার জিনিসগুলো তো ইয়া না।
Makes sense.
লাইক তুমি কয়টা জিনিস রাখতে পারবা এখানে?
That's true.
এখানে ম্যাট রাখতে হবে, ওয়ার্কআউটের এয়া রাখতে হবে, বেবি তখন লিডটা এমনি খোলা থাকবে, লিড ছাড়া কিনতে হবে। সামথিং লাইক দিস, লুক।
Okay. And something like that. How much is it?
This one is 30.
30.
I'm pretty sure this one is 50. 30. Both are 30.
What do you think?
There's more, but these are laundry baskets. Get this because Naga and Momo both goes. I like
Get metal
this, but I'm just gonna put it here for now.
This one's more like
Of course, you like this one better.
ripple. Cats are gonna destroy both.
Cats are gonna destroy this one too.
It's okay. This one I'm not gonna feel sorry. The other one I'll feel sorry. I'm heartbroken.
What elephant? I think that's for a child. I'm gonna go this way to check something else. There's some cute pans. I honestly don't know what this is for. The problem is that I don't have space in my house. Oh, this looks nice. It's $5.
You want this? Real tree. As a cut, show the features of the tree. Look. Just look. Very nice.
I do need one of those wooden things. No, I don't need that. I have it. We have those, babe. I do need these, like the wooden spatulas, but not these many. Like I don't know why there are so many of them.
Diligent.
Yes, diligent. We have a ladle. I think it's called a ladle. 5 pieces, okay.
Diligent.
Why are you laughing though? What's the joke?
Alright.
Okay.
You have to close it, then I'll tell you. Oh, 8 hours to 20 minutes. Look at that. No, look at that. It's good. Or this one. Oh, we have this, right? What material is this?
We have this. This one is metal. We have the silicone one. If I put this in my non-stick, this non-stick is gonna come on. But it's really good though. We also have a metal one.
Yeah, that's true. Sorry, I'm just investigating on silverware.
I have majority of these things. Yeah, I mean, it's gonna fit into the car. Yeah, for like, you know,
Pish posh.
some people actually use those instead of the sponge because it's more sanitary. Not me, I'm not some people. Huh? Passa. This is nice. Lazy Susan. I'm just thinking if I should get this.
You brush it everything, right?
No, for the medications. So I can put all the like mini medications here, the band-aids and everything, and then some bigger ones here, the sprays here, and then
You want it?
I'm not sure if it's gonna fit in the regular one. Our shelf. How big is that shelf? Is it gonna fit in there?
Yeah. It might stick out a little, but that wouldn't be an issue.
What do you think? Yes?
Just like the... Yes.
Okay, take it.
You see Target?
I mean, do you need oil bottles? The problem with my oil bottle is that the opening, you see this thing, I have to wait 2,000 years for it to like fill the entire container.
This one is easier, I think it's better. Like safer. You gotta chunk it the other way. You know what I'm saying?
Do you want it?
It would help.
Which one do you want? That one?
A humongous one.
Well, it looks cute. 7.
Or the fruit ones.
It's small, babe. You have to refill it every week.
This is good. Inside. And she's gonna put everything inside, whoever.
Of the mirrors, the arch ones. That's why I want to change the doors, because I want to get the arch. What do you think? Is good? I want the arch one, but I think it's gonna cost more.
No, let's worry about that later. Talk about price. Get out of your head. You gonna match the door with that color?
Why would I match the door with that color?
That's why I want to change the door.
Yeah, the doors to like no mirror, and then this mirror is gonna be like somewhere else.
Okay, then it's fine.
Okay. So, I like this mirror over here, this one. It's 130. I'm not sure if I should get it. How heavy is it?
It's not that heavy. It's just something. Oh right. Let's see.
I'm not gonna put it on the wall though.
You're gonna leave it on the floor, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna like put it like slanted
Okay, that's fine. There should be
and
some-
decorate it with like something.
So it's not heavy. You see how it moves? It's not.
Oh, that's wobbly.
No, it's not gonna be wobbly because if it's against something,
হ্যাঁ লাইক ঢেলান দিয়ে রাখবো আর কি
Yeah, it's like only 30 pounds.
where your workstation is, I want to move all those things and then put this and then put like a basket or something and make it my photo place.
Yes.
Because I don't want to put it in the bedroom.
Yep. On the back one, right? This one's like a little... Yes, it was working.
I like it because the mirror has like the arch. And the size is 30 by 70, so I want to have like a space. It's really nice. The line here is crazy. Like, it's not even moving. So we got the mirror. If I don't like it, we are going to come back and return it.
1 hour later.
So we actually got the mirror in the back, which is in the back. I couldn't decide if I should get it from HomeGoods or should I get it from Facebook Marketplace, because the Marketplace also has some like vintage mirrors like that, but I'm not sure. I'm still not sure even though I got it. I think I have decided to keep the mirror. It's just so pricey, I feel like, for a mirror. But I think it's a splurge, so I'll keep it. My makeup looks really good today, even in the camera. Like it. Except for like the lighting of the, what do you call, when I went to the store, I didn't like the lighting. It's so hard to shop with you because you make me buy everything. Yeah, I take a little bit of time to, like, you know, if I'm buying like furniture, like bigger items for the apartment, I have to like visualize it because I'm a visual learner and I have to visualize everything. So I have to like visualize the mirror, where I'm gonna put it. I have to find a space first before I even buy something. So that's why I was like, you know, couldn't decide. But I think yeah, I will definitely do a haul of like the other things I got. We didn't get that many things, but it was like some random tidbits here and there that we needed.
Tidbits.
Essential tidbits. But I do need a coffee, so we're probably gonna, not probably, we are gonna go drop off the mirror first at home, because if I go to IKEA, then you know, if I like something, I won't be able to fit in our car. So that's why we're gonna drop it off, then gonna grab some coffee from the local coffee shop. I think I'm not gonna grab coffee. I'm gonna grab a mocha, maybe. I'm not sure. I haven't had a mocha in a while, so.
If you go to the store.
Which store?
And ask for a mocha.
Which store?
I'm just thinking out loud.
Like a cafe.
Yeah, cafe where you get coffee. If you go to a store and get a mocha, can you put honey in it? Can you ask them to put honey in a mocha?
Do you know what is a mocha?
Yeah, I know, but it's supposed to be sweetened. But I'm saying rather than any sweetened.
So I have a question for you.
I'm just curious.
Okay, so I have a question for you. You know what a mocha is? Just a general question.
I know what it is, but I can't explain it.
So we got the mirror at home. I'm just checking it out. I think it's worth the splurge because look at this. We're gonna move all these things, and this dining table is gonna be sold. Oh wow, this looks really nice, babe. I love it. Now we're gonna go to IKEA to take a look at some doors. So I'm a little hungry. Do you want some food?
Okay, let's go there.
Got my coffee. Well, we didn't get coffee. We got mocha. My one comes with whipped cream, and his one does not. Regular milk. Today I'm just trying regular milk because I'm having it after such a while. Now, we're not heading to IKEA right now because we're gonna go have some food. I'm thinking of just gonna put myself in focus. There we go. It's tracking me. Okay, so hold on, it's gonna track me. Okay. So we're gonna go to this Yemeni restaurant in Bay Ridge because we are craving some Yemeni food.
Yes. You couldn't decide what you wanted. So,
I can never decide.
so it's a we, okay?
Yeah, you can never decide either. So
Food wise, it's very hard to decide.
so it's we. The mocha is so good. The sun ray feels good, but I can't look. My eyes are like watering because of the sun. We have reached. Oh, sorry. We have reached the destination. Adib is parking right now. The first restaurant that we were supposed to go, it was kind of like a cafe style. So we decided to go to our usual Yemeni cafe. Their food is really good, by the way. So I'm gonna try to vlog the food and okay, sorry, it's the parallel parking situation. I love how they just leave the Halloween decoration until for like next year. It's very quiet in Bay Ridge today. That's why I'm vlogging. Because I get insecure vlogging in public.
I started eating.
They already gave us some soup, bread, and then I don't know what that is. I think the spice.
Huh? 2 bottles of water. Okay, it's right there. Okay.
The food here is so good. So the decoration here is so pretty.
We have coffee too if you want.
Yeah, I know. But remember, we have
yeah,
mocha.
mocha.
Yeah. And that's not how it goes. That looks good. Why do you always order stuff like that?
It has to sizzle.
It looks really good. How do you know that it's gonna sizzle?
I had no clue. But it did have a...
So try the food first. Because that chicken tastes good. It's really good. I just forgot. I just realized that we have to go to IKEA after this. My goodness.
Okay, the drive is not that good.
I know, but you have to find parking.
Here you order box. Have the chicken.
I thought it was going to be separate. No, it comes with chicken.
Oh, there's no joy.
Yeah. So my food is, I thought it's going to come in separate, but it's just chicken rice. And his one looks better than mine, as usual. So we're going to share, right? The food tastes so good. Maybe we're just hungry. No. So I couldn't finish my food, so we're gonna take this home, and that's a lot of rice. That food slapped. If you never tried Yemeni food, I would suggest try it. If you're in New York and in Brooklyn, definitely try Yemeni Cafe, because every time we come here, the prices are really good, and also the food, like, as many times as we came here, the food slaps. Like, it's just so good. And I'm taking the leftovers And now we're gonna head to IKEA. The sun is setting, so when we get out it's probably gonna be nighttime and it's gonna be a hassle to look for parking. And my makeup is like all gone. I probably have to reapply my lipstick. Okay, today was a good day even though we planned that we are not gonna get out. Yesterday we were like, tomorrow's Sunday, I have to finish something, so we had a plan to not get out of the house and not do anything. And then in the morning I had an idea of like changing things up in the house because, you know, I'm doing more of videos and, you know, like updating a few things here and there. So now a few minutes later we're here, I guess. Not a few minutes, like, you know. Yeah, I do complain about leaving New York City a lot, but then sometimes it's beautiful. Let me show you the sunset, everyone.
I think sunset everywhere is the same.
Yeah, but
Continue on I-278 East for 3 miles.
You know?
Those are towers.
These are apartments. Yeah, sure.
Boo.
I don't do that. How beautiful is this sunset? Also, fun fact, that bridge over there, that's where we did our marriage like photo shoot, like the one that you do at the court. We came like on that bridge and then took our photos. Oh, I look cute. I want some pictures here.
Okay.
This is so pretty.
Go back.
Where? Go back where?
Now walk toward the sun.
Oh. This is so pretty. Okay. Oh, look at that. It's so pretty. Wait, I don't see anything white on the screen. Oh, this is so nice.
What are you?
What are you doing?
Jump in the second one. Don't fall.
Okay, that's a lot far. This one is closed, I think. Okay, I did it.
Let's go inside.
I'm old. I am old, guys. Okay, let's go. I feel like I'm gonna start wearing turbans more often. And yeah, are we? I don't know. Is that your exercise?
No, just
Okay, so I just met someone and she was like, what type of camera is this? Like, a lot of people usually ask me what type of camera is this since I got it, and I tell them and they're like, this is so handy, like you don't have to like take your videos on your phone, and then second of all, it's small so people don't, like, it's not that visible when you're vlogging or like taking.
Oh, sorry, I was thinking out loud.
What is 90 inches?
90
Oh, you can see the Wall Street from here.
90
Hold on.
1/4 inches is
I don't know if,
the
let me
length
just
of the
zoom in.
closet door. So it's gonna
Oh,
fit in the
there we
car.
go. There's the Wall Trade. And okay, when I first came into the States, like to live and stuff, Brooklyn was different. Like, it wasn't like completely gentrified yet, but it was different. And now with all the gentrification, even like our neighborhood is gentrified, so rents are high, there's like tall buildings, it's like New York City is so different right now.
Hey, the entrance is
And
over there.
yeah, I know.
Sheesh.
And that's why like I want to live in New York, because like it's a beautiful city and I love New York, but it's just not for me anymore. Wouldn't you agree? He
No
wants to
comments
go
at
to
this
Texas.
time. You cannot.
Entrada.
Hopefully they have the.
Okay, this is the couch section. Nah, hey, I'm a gray, babe. It's the same brand. We just took the gray one. No, actually, it's the blue one. But it's the same brand, Solderham. To today's date, maybe like mid this year.
Yeah.
We don't even have to buy the ottoman, because if you buy like 1, 2, 3, if you buy like 1, 2, 3, the 3 set,
Yeah, completely.
it's good.
Works. Yeah.
Or even 2, babe. We don't even have to buy the 3. We can just buy the 2.
Yeah.
We came here for PAX doors, but okay, I'll see you tomorrow.
Sit.
Sorry, I'm so sorry.
What are you trying to do?
Nothing. Just make sure that
Of course. You know what you need, babe? Babe, you need this thing right here. Look. This thing. Perfect, your size.
Are you done? Michael?
No.
Workstation. I'm thinking of like maybe having something like this, and then a desk like this. But maybe like a smaller desk, so that like half of this. Taki shelf.
Shelf.
That's what I mean. Tak. Like seriously, man. Tak. We need a tak, okay? Half of that size, and then maybe like a shelf, and yes, please do take it out.
This is cool.
Mm-hmm.
This is charcoal. Things underneath. You don't need the gas or anything.
Looks very excited.
It's so soft. But you see this thing? Cats are gonna.
You have to always cover it. No matter what you get.
But I don't want with an ottoman. Like the ottoman.
I don't know, but I understand what I'm saying.
I feel like that's just an extra thing that we don't use. If the couch is like wide, then you don't need an
I feel
ottoman.
like the old couches were better. Door.
Nope. Ooh, look at that. Okay, thank you. This is privacy. Look at this bedroom. Oh, wow.
Look that way, it's an apartment.
I love this. That's why I like PAX, is because you can just like. This one is small. This one is not. Ooh, look at that. It's like a 1-bedroom. And then you have the shoe closet here. You have the bathroom. Oops, somebody's in the bathroom. Oh, this is so nice. And then you have the kitchen too. Oh, wow. This is a 2-bedroom, babe.
There's a door.
Where?
The apartment.
Oh, this is an apartment. Sorry. They have a bathroom. And it attaches to the kids' room. Oh my god, this is so cute. See? This bathroom is too small, actually. Yeah, this bathroom is smaller than my preference. Oh, I actually want a desk like that. This is at $80. Wow. Yeah, I like this.
Oh, this bathroom is nice.
No, but it connects to the
Kind of
kids.
creepy. It connects to the kids' room.
Yeah.
This is how a closet should look like.
Your closet
Take-
looks like that majority
take
of the
notes.
time. You have like the same piece
That's the whole
for.
point. Take simple.
The problem with this man is if I give him an idea, he doesn't run, he flies with that idea. So we're actually getting the door today, I guess.
We are getting the door?
You just said, yeah.
This one is actually much better.
Actually, we can keep the skinny one the same way. Like, we can keep the skinny one and then the rest of the doors can just be wood. So we need only 3.
It's the same size.
Yes, it's a prop. It's a prop. Looks so real. Lay down and tell me what's your thing. Lay down. I will be your therapist. I don't need a therapist. Especially you. No, thank you.
Want to put it? Babe? Want to put it?
I think this is a display.
That's not included, right? No.
We ended up getting one item from IKEA today. Just one. So the item that we got was a display item. So that's why we couldn't take it, like the saucer and the pot holder. So we got the fake plant for my mirror. If I have a truck, it's gonna look like this. Oh, that food. Yeah, I know. Okay, we're gonna head home because my hair is pulling from the turban and I'm tired. Hopefully we find a parking. Tired, I'm so tired. It's also the food and the rice.
It's the road.
God, the New York City potholes, I'm telling you.